Hey gang, it's me. I just really quickly wanted to go over everything that you needed to do for today. Today's Tuesday, November 3rd. It is the election day, so I'm really excited to be able to be a part of history and for you guys to be a part of history also. It's really important for you guys to watch and see what's going on. So definitely keep an eye on the news as to what's going on and how things are progressing as the day goes on. But I wanted to let you know what assignments needed to be done. Now, these assignments do need to be done by 3:21 today, so don't wait. Don't dilly-dally, get them all done. And as soon as you're done, then you have the rest of the day to kind of hang out and do whatever it is that you do when you're not in school. So let me go over the things that you're going to be doing today and what's going to be required of you. Okay, for the first thing that you're going to be doing is the Reading Plus Diagnostic Test. So you're going to click on the Reading Plus Diagnostic Test. The directions are right here. You're going to click on this link which says Reading Plus Student Login. You're going to log in with the first letter of your first name and your full last name. So for example, if it was me that was logging in, I would do S. Yanchuk. And my password is MCSCS1234, all lowercase. Then you're going to watch a video. It's really, really short. It's like 2 minutes long. That's kind of going to explain to you everything that you're going to be seeing for the diagnostic test. Now, this is one of those tests that as you go on, it does get harder. And it does get harder and harder and harder. And the reason for that is to make sure that we have the just right area for you to read. So you want to make sure that you do your absolute best. Because if you just click, the next thing you know, you're in a lower reading level than you should be because you just clicked through instead. So definitely try your best, okay? And that kind of helps me to know what skills you need help with, a little bit more support, and then we can kind of work on that, okay? The second reading assignment that you're going to be doing is you're going to go to Raz Kids. You're going to click on assignments and you're going to read the book that says I Can Vote. And then you're going to answer the questions. Then after you answer the questions, you're going to do this writing prompt. The writing prompt says, how is the kids voting the same as the adults and how is it different? Now, I want you to make sure that you are writing in complete sentences, capitalization, correct grammar, and you're fully answering the question. Don't give me one-word answers because you know very well that I need a little bit more explanation than that. So definitely use complete sentences and explain to me as much as you possibly can because remember, I'm not inside of your brain, so you need to tell me what you're thinking. The third assignment that you're going to be doing is a writing prompt. Now here it says the directions say answer the following questions in 5 to 7 sentences. Remember to proofread your work, spelling and grammar count. What are 3 characteristics that you need to be a good leader? And you want to make sure that you explain it too. So again, 5 to 7 sentences, grammar and proofread, grammar and spelling count. Make sure you proofread your work, okay? And make sure you answer both questions. It's super important. Then you have science. Science here you have reading page 126 and 260 and 261 only. And then you're going to complete the notes pages that's attached for page 260 and 261 only. And then you're going to read the ReadWorks article. So that's for science. For math, Ms. Patera has your math lesson and also your classwork and homework up here already. So go ahead and you can do that before you do your other homework for social studies. Social studies, you're going to be watching the video that says the purpose of government for kids. You're also going to read pages 96 through 98. 96 is just the start of the chapter, so there's really not that much information. 97 and 98 is where the bulk of the information is. And you're going to complete your notes page. Now, keep in mind that these notes pages for science and social studies, you're going to use throughout the entire week. So you want to make sure that you update them from the day before and then you reattach it so that you have the constant notes in one place. So when we come to the quiz or a test, you have those notes exactly in one place and you don't have to go crazy and finding things everywhere, okay? If you have any questions, I do have access to my email, so please be sure to email me. I'll be checking it frequently to see if you have any questions and to answer any questions you might have, okay? You guys have a fabulous day.